My name is Muhammad Mustafa Yakubu. I am from Ghana, Cardano ambassador, and I just want to use this opportunity to briefly educate you about Cardano blockchain as well as Project Catalyst. So by way of overview, Cardano was founded in 2015 by Ethereum co-founder in the person of Charles Hoskinson. The development of the project is overseen and supervised by the Cardano Foundation based in Zug, Switzerland. It is the largest cryptocurrency to use a proof-of-stake blockchain, which is seen as a greener alternative to proof-of-work protocols. Cardano is being run by 3 arms, and the arms are Cardano Foundation, Imego, and Input-Output Hong Kong. IOHK is a blockchain research and development company founded by Charles Hoskinson and Jeremy Wood, that is contracted to work on Cardano from 2015 through to 2020. The Cardano Foundation is a non-profit, non-governmental organization which is focused on core development and ecosystem growth for Cardano. Imego, on the other hand, is a Japanese venture capital. A key achievement to Imego has been the launch of Yoroi. Imego's launch of Yoroi introduces the very first light wallet for the Cardano blockchain. Yoroi provides users with secure, fast, and simple access to Cardano's native cryptocurrency asset, which is ADA. Cardano has some phases of development, and the phases will fully launch through 5 phases. 1, the Byron phase, the Shelley, the Gauguin, the Basho, and the Voltaire era. Cardano strategy in Africa. The Africa strategy is a strategy to drive Cardano adoption in the African continent, and Ghana is not of exception. Everyday users and businesses are finding ways and means to leverage Cardano blockchain in order to drive access to markets and innovation. The strategy will be achieved through accomplishing 2 goals, which are: the first is to engage with local stakeholders in delivering projects that solve real issues in the market. Governments, NGOs, and the private sector companies are all working to improve trust, transparency, and efficiency. The second goal is to train and educate local developers to create solutions for local problems. Now, what are the real use cases of Cardano? Cardano is an open platform that seeks to provide economic identity to the billions who lack it by providing decentralized applications to manage identity, value, and governance. And this definition is by Charles Hoskinson, the founder. Now, what and how to contribute to Cardano? Cardano use cases stems in several sectors. 1, education. The loss of academic credentials and high cost of replacing or issuing new ones is a problem to institutions. Cardano provides the platform credential to ownership and verification, and the product is Atlas Prism, developed by Input Output. In retail, the global economy has lost about $300 billion to counterfeit goods, and the menace is worsening. Markets are faced with fake products, goodwill, and brand reputation are affected, leading to loss of wealth and profits. Traditional anti-counterfeiting tools are expensive and time-consuming. Cardano empowers Atlas Scan to leverage blockchain in solving this. A tamper-proof system is built to establish gap provenance and auditability in order to certify products. In agriculture, food sources and supplies need an irresistible supply chain. The COVID revealed the essence of keeping a resilient supply chain, and blockchain remains the sole tool to empower agri actors to certify farm products and trace movement from farm to consumers through the Atlas Trace and Imego's proprietary traceability solution. Government services are faced with digital problems, causing loss of data, funds, and revenues. Blockchain will empower governments to keep, maintain, and manage data, funds and processes in the form of digital footprints using the Atlas Prism solution. Finance. Creating and owning a simple bank account is difficult and costly. Cardano provides Know Your Customer (KYC) solutions for digital assets holders and traders, and the Atlas Prism serves this purpose. In healthcare, as one use case, fake drugs and hard drugs are smuggled and traded online and physically due to porous education and tracking mechanism. Atlas Scan, as a product of Cardano, enables the authentication and verification of pharmaceutical products to ensure patient safety and well-being. And that is the use cases of Cardano blockchain. These are the few that we can highlight. Now, Cardano has several wallets, and to participate in the Cardano blockchain, you will need to use the native token, which is ADA. In order to use the native token, you will have to download a wallet, Cardano wallet, in order to participate in the Cardano ecosystem. And one of the wallets that we will recommend is the Uroi wallet. There are several. We have the Deodorus wallet, we have the Eternal wallet, the Uroi wallet. The Uroi wallet can be downloaded on Apple Store and the Google Play Store. Once you go and type Uroi wallet or Imegos Uroi wallet, you'll be able to download the wallet, set up the wallet, and then start spending and sending ADA. Once you open it, the app will be given the option to add a new wallet or create new wallet. You have to press create new wallet in order to create a new wallet for yourself. Then you create and store your seed phrase. The seed phrase allows you to recover your wallet if your device gets destroyed or stolen. This seed phrase will also allow you to set up your wallet on your computer or any browser. That allows for installing the Uroi extension. Now, the final step is to delegate and stake your ADA or mobile Uroi wallet. So you'll be able to deposit ADA tokens, you'll be able to delegate it to any stake pool that is operating on the Cardano blockchain, and you can also stake it. You can also use your ADA to participate in the Cardano governance, which is Project Catalyst, where you have the power to vote on proposals that have been submitted by the Cardano community. Now that leads me to Project Catalyst. Project Catalyst is a series of experiments, and it seeks to generate the highest level of community innovation. How do you participate? It's divided into a series of funds from Fund 1 up to the latest one, which is Fund 10. And you can participate in it by visiting www.projectcatalyst.io, where you learn about the past funding cycles, and you'll be able to also visit the idea scale, create an account, and submit an idea to be reviewed, voted by the community for treasury. So it's a platform for you to create, fund, and deliver the future of Cardano. It's an experiment in community innovation, providing a framework to turn ideas into impactful real-world projects. We are putting the community at the heart of Cardano's future development. And if you are ready for the challenge, you head over to the platform and develop. Idea Scale is just a platform where proposals are officially submitted. Community members can provide feedback to proposals, and the information is being checked by the IOG community. The link is cardano.ideascale.com. Now, you can participate with several roles. You can participate as a proposal submitter, as a proposal reviewer, as a proposal voter. You can also be a moderator on the community. And to review a proposal, there are certain criteria you are supposed to follow in order to review a proposal. We have three major criteria. One, impact criteria, the feasibility criteria, and then value for money. The impact talks about the added value. What is the value that the project is bringing to the Cardano ecosystem? What is the challenge alignment? Is your proposal aligned to the particular challenge you are submitting it into? And is it local or global impact? Are you able to scale the impact when you are given the nod, or when you are being voted to execute the project? On feasibility, what is the success likelihood of your project? And what is the proposal or team experience aligned with the proposal objective? As well as, is there a plan or time frame for you to do the project? And lastly, what is the budget you are going to use to be able to capture or handle your project? Value for money, how can the community audit the process? The amount of the budget you are requesting, how are you going to prove that these expenses are really going to be spent on your project? And how are you going to report to the community that the deliveries and the days and the expenses and the risks are all being mitigated for the success of your project? And that is basically what Project Catalyst stands for. It's a free open source platform for you to source funds, access resources, and fund your blockchain ideas. You can participate in several areas. You can be an educator, you can be a developer, you can create a DAO, you can create a dApp. There are several ways you can participate in the Cardano blockchain. And I think that the Cardano presents you, or Cardano Project Catalyst presents you that platform for you to come and explore and innovate and solve problems that are facing the African continent and beyond, to so that together we can drive the adoption of Cardano as a third blockchain in the world for more enhanced use cases and for better adoption. Once again, my name is Mohammed Mustafa Yakubu, and I'm a Cardano ambassador, having hosted several meetups of Cardano, and I'm speaking in relation to Cardano blockchain, representing Cardanoghana, as well as choosing fintech solutions. Thank you so much for the audience, and I'll share certain links in the video or in the comment section for you to explore and join our communities and then build on Cardano. Thank you.